Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail to n8n. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the official n8n page. Once you have logged in and signed up for a new account, all you have to do is click on create workflow, and once you create your new project, simply click on add first step. Now from here in the search bar, simply search for Gmail, and you will find Gmail right here. Now from here, all you have to see is for Gmail and add triggers. And so you're going to connect the Gmail right here by clicking on the credentials to connect with, select credential, and then create new credential. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is to click on the big button that says sign in with Google. And once you click on here, it's going to show this pop-up window where you're going to sign up with any Google account. You're going to give it the permission for that, and then you're going to click on continue. Once that is done, it's going to show connection successful, and then going to close this window. Now you have your Gmail account connected. All you have to do now is click on the X. Now you can see from the Gmail account you have already connected it. And now from the mode you can choose every minute, hour, or anything. And then from the events it's going to be the messages received. And then from here you can see for the settings you can always output data or select it to whatever you want. Once you do that, collect on fetch test event. And then from here, as you can see, now you have your Google account and everything that is connected for it. And now it is connected to your workshop. So once you go to back on Canvas, now you have your Gmail trigger right there and then. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.